Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is to listen to life. It's time to go into your private place of meditation, your private place of prayer, your place of going out into nature, your favorite water source, or just going out into the forest, wherever your place of nature is where you can sit. Then ask the right questions of, what is the next thing for me to learn? What do you have for me to learn, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ? And then, as you have one mouth and have two ears, it's time to listen. I want you to be attuned to the things that are happening around you. I'm attentive to the world that is around me. Signs and symbols guide me to my success. Have you had feelings of deja vu? Have you seen synchronicities? We just saw 5 on the clock. 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777. These are messages from the universe. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ. Their language is numerology. Numbers, just like English, Korean, Spanish is our language. Numerology is the language of the universe. And when you see these repeating numbers, they try to give you a message. And therefore, just think of what your thoughts are at the moment. Ask for what is the clarity that you're looking for, and guarantee a download is going to come your way. A person is going to come your way with the right answer because you asked. I listen and discover the way to the eternal. Master the language of the universe so you always can converse and understand what they're trying to tell you so you can progress in your life, Gemini. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.